Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. Today's video, I thought that I would share with you guys a really great item to have in the classroom. So on your kids' school list, there are headphones probably. So the kids use these headphones on their computers daily to do like their math, like apps, their literacy apps, things like that, and of course like listening to books throughout the day. Let me just share with you guys one huge box. So these are the iClever wired headphones. These are great for schools in grades K through 12. They're a safe volume. They are tangle free. They have a 3.5 millimeter jack, just in case you needed to know. They do have HD stereo, swivel, foldable kid headphones with cords. They're great for the classroom, students, laptops, tablets, and it comes in a bulk of 5. So you have like your blue, purple, your teal, your orange and white, and your pink. Now these headphones right here, and I'm going to take it out, this is called the colorful pack, and you guys can find them on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in my description box down below. So I do have a code in my description box. If you all choose to go over to iClever's official website, you can use a 12% off code, or if you go over to iClever on Amazon, which is exactly the link that I'm going to leave for you guys, so that you guys can get 5% off. So use those codes whether you do the iClever official website or if you do the iClever Amazon website. So here we are, 5-pack. I'm going to open it up. Now, like I said, the headphones are used in the classroom. This is something that you guys can send in for your child to use throughout the year. And of course, if you purchase the 5-pack, if something goes wrong with one of them, you still have 4 more to use. So in the box, there are the colors, like I said, and I went ahead and took purple out of the bag. So here's purple. Like I said, it is stretchable. They are foldable so that you can put them down into a bag. So like if you guys can find a bag, you can easily put it down in there, and you can wrap the cord around, or just like fold it up and put it all in one, and with your child's name on it. It gives room, like if you want to put a sticker for your child's name. So you just hook it up to the computer using the jack. Really great headphones. Like these literally like are movable, so like if a child's trying to get it on their ears, it's just like this. And the good thing about this is that kids need headphones in order to use computers at school. So with getting the 5-pack, you're guaranteed to be able to like put these to the side in case you need them, and you don't have to continuously pay out of pocket for more than one pair. So like I said, you have your white and your orange, you have your light blue and dark blue, you have your teal and light blue, and then you also have your hot pink and light pink. So really great headphones that you guys can order. Like I said, use that code in my description box down below if you're going on to iClever's website to get 12% off, and then use the code that's in my description box to get 5% off of iClever through Amazon. So it's a really great product. I highly suggest like purchasing them. Then again, I would definitely say that these are great for the ears. The noise control is like sound isolation, and they're kid-proof durability. They're soft and breathable earmuffs for your kids. It's not going to hurt their ears. And then of course there's like 18 levels of adjustment fits to fit the size of your child's head, along with the durable nylon cable for tangle free. It's compatible with all devices such as like iPads, laptops, tablets, Kindle, and MP3 players, or MP4 players. And then of course it's easy to stack them for bulk storage. So that's the good thing about this. They have clear audio, and they're very safe volume. And then of course they're just kid friendly. Your little ones deserve better safety, certified all of these materials of the headphones for classroom and safe, sustainable, and kid-friendly, protecting the children's sensitive and delicate skin and giving you some peace of mind. So I definitely would, like I say, use that code over on Amazon or the iClever website in order to purchase these. I will definitely say I use them in my classroom as a teacher myself, and they are really great. They are durable, and they do last for a long time. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed listening and seeing the unboxing of the colorful box of iClever wired headphones. They also have wireless headphones, so you guys can look on Amazon and iClever's website for those. The wireless ones are really amazing too, and they do make great for storage as well.